Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to install or fabricate the wastegate to the up pipe. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like something you see, make sure you hit that like button too. Alright boys, last episode we were playing around with the up pipe quite a bit. We are obviously moving the wastegate, so we're going back to the 50mm down the bottom here to allow more airflow up to the GT35, which is there. So we need to get that onto the bend of the up pipe. Alright guys, I got a notification from Ozpost today saying that the V-band should be coming in tomorrow, being Thursday, for the wastegate pipe that I'm going to be making. So I might actually wait until tomorrow. Hopefully that comes in, and then we'll get cracking on getting the wastegate attached and getting it all lined up and everything. Just not feeling it tonight. Already edited and uploaded a video, so yeah, just getting a bit drained from redoing the system so many times. But when it's going, she's gonna rip. Hopefully not rip something apart.
Day 2.
Alright guys, it's the next day and I didn't get the V-band clamp, which was a bit annoying, but tonight I'm gonna at least get the hole drilled into this pipe here. And I'm just gonna do it on the car. It's all stable and we'll get a decent angle, I think. Alright, my plan is just to get a hole about here. We'll have a nice flow. Alright, so I'm about 3/4 through drilling the hole in the up pipe, and the old drill overheated. So let that cool down a bit. While that was cooling down, I cut up some of the piping. So that is the out flange for the wastegate. I've got the flex, and then that's just sitting in there. I need to chop a little bit off here. Make that all square. Chop a little bit off that for the up pipe, for the flange to go on to, or the V-band flange. It's on the wastegate still, down, boop, there. Yeah, just it's pretty hot. So I'm just gonna have a few minutes and wait for this to cool down a bit, and get back to drilling that hole out. Haven't got much to go. Now the hole saw that I'm using is 54mm, so it's a little bit bigger than 2 inches. Yeah, let's see how we go with that. Alright, we've got the massive hole in there now. Put that in there. I might do it on that end because I probably won't use that for anything else. So yeah. Alright guys, got the hole done and smoothed out a bit. But I'm going to be using this end in there. I've marked it up a bit. So it is getting late, so we'll end up cutting that another day. It's most likely to be over the weekend.
Day 4.
Alright guys, I'm finally back. It's Sunday afternoon. I haven't been feeling the best. We are going to mount this wastegate on today. So we need to fill that hole with that pipe. Alright boys, so I've cut that pipe to kind of size, trimmed up that one. Now I need to take the up pipe off. So I need to take the manifold off to get the up pipe off, and then we'll tack it on and clean up the edges so we have nice flow up the up pipe. And yeah, we'll get this thing mounted today. Alright, got it out, Here's a piece that I cut out, and that is actually going to go over that one. So I'll clean that up and just give it a light tap, and it should form to it pretty easy. And we'll just fill in that. A little patch job there. And then I'll clean this up and start welding it. Ooh, getting a bit windy outside. I've got that welded on. So I've got to clean that up still. Just got to work on this end while that end is really hot. So I've got to find this, clean that up, bash it into the right radius, and weld that on, weld it up. Yep, another low mount wastegate. Let's get the wastegate on. It actually tucks up pretty good. And there we go. It's definitely tucked up better than last time. This area here might look a little different to most other Foresters. It was because I had the low mount turbo down here. I needed space. But anyway, that angle's pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. Still haven't got the V-band for the pipe to go up. So I think I might leave this episode here, boys. Got the wastegate mounted. The up pipe is all done. It's finished. Yeah. Just onto the wastegate up pipe to the other turbo. Does that make sense? Alright guys, so next episode, working on from that wastegate up to this piece, which is the up pipe for the GT35 and the exhaust from the TD05. So wastegate needs to go into there. Yeah, that's probably going to be a bit frustrating doing all that, but it's going to come down, go that way, and then down. So yeah, waiting on V-band for that and 4 90-degree bends to make something out of, and I'll probably use that for the GT35's wastegate as well. So have some piping for the recirculated wastegate. So yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with this build. That being said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.